So y'all know what I'm saying. I can't say my mama a whore. I can't really say that out loud, but she might be.
We got pretty mom.
That's how I got here. My mama was sewing around when I got here. I was born fucking feet first. I was born fucked up. I'm here now. I'm an upside down nuts. Y'all ready for your next comedian? Y'all ready? Man, this lady, hey, she fresh in the game, y'all. I'm talking about fresh. I'm talking about fresh, though. I'm talking about real fresh. I'm talking about fresh like me off the mannequin. That type of fresh, you know what I'm saying? I gotta turn this shit back in. I keep telling y'all, I ain't playing with this. Shit, I'll be there for that bitch open in the morning. Walking into the back door. Putting this bitch back on the mannequin. Running out the front door. Maggie in the motherfucking building, y'all. Give it up for my baby.
Okay.
Come on, y'all.
Like, this is the place to be, you know what I'm saying? You can get high, have your little drink, everything, food. The ladies looking good, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see if the woman out, wake the guys, or is more guys than the girls, so depending on what I'm saying tonight. So, my name is Omega. Hello, everyone. I know you guys looking like, what the fuck she about to say? She about to say. Well, I'm gonna talk a little bit about Thanksgiving, right? Because we going into Thanksgiving, right? So anyone in here that like chitlins? No. You don't like them? No? That's the tradition. Like everybody back in the day used to cook them and spread them and everything, No? Anyone else? No? No one likes chitlins? Okay. You like the hog maws and shit? But I'm trying to figure out, like,
you gotta mix them up a little bit.
Really? With the chitlins, you mix them up?
My mom did 70-30.
So you mix both of the stuff up together?
Yeah.
Damn. That shit sounds real nasty.
I ain't ate no pork in 33 years though. How you doing?
But listen, let me tell y'all guys, how do we come from chitlins? Like, how do we eat those things? Like, where did that come from? Like, they spend so much money, like pounds of cooking and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And, okay, so you know what I'm saying? Okay. I didn't want to say it, but I'll let you say it, so since you said it, we're going to talk about that. Right. But then they're expensive, right? Like the oxtail. Like, who heard about an ox? Did it come from an ox or a cow? Did y'all do research on that? But I'm saying, we be eating that shit and it's expensive. Oxtail. Like, have anybody seen an ox running around and shit down south? Was that ox on there? Or was that cow? Think about it. Like, think about that shit though. Like chitlins. We gonna get back to chitlins. Like, this is shit that fucks me up, right? They smell so fucking bad. It's slave food. But why is it so expensive though? But guess what, then? But then this is the shit that bothers me. Eating ass. Like, who eat ass in here? Any ass eaters? You eat ass? Do you think about the ass part? Because like, I know how many times you clean ass. Do you think about that?
All up and down, all through there.
You eat all that shit.
I like a freak. I'm a change. If you ain't
Okay, ass eater, no.
I be making my own way. Ask your bro. What I tell him?
Let me chin check you.
But look, it's a conditional. You gotta get it right out the shower now. I ain't got that.
But listen.
Let me change the dynamics of that.
Let me tell y'all. I don't give a fuck how much you eat that motherfucking ass, because I'm gonna tell you like this. You can wipe the ass 20 times in a day, but guess what? That fucking 5th time you wipe the ass, it's gonna be an ass perk on that motherfucker somewhere. You gonna be in the club and shit. I know you probably looking like, do you really clean your ass?
Wipe that ass.
You gonna be walking around down and shit, you gonna wipe that motherfucking ass a couple of motherfucking times. I don't give a fuck how clean that ass is. It's gonna be an ass part. When you be back there wiping that ass and get E. coli from this motherfucking life, meningitis or some shit. You know, that's but people eat ass. Like people don't think about that shit, eating the ass.
At all.
At all. Y'all gotta do that shit.
I don't understand what you get out of that.
That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, what do you get out of eating ass? Now, I'm not gonna stop a nigga from eating my ass, but I ain't about to eat his ass. But that's what we living in. That's what I'm saying. Like, we came from eating chitlins. Now we openly eat motherfucking ass. And we don't even know we eating oxtails. It could be motherfucking ox shoulder. We don't know.
All right now.
You know what I'm saying? We don't motherfucking know. We just in the fucking trend. If everybody else doing the shit, I'ma do the shit. That's the life we living in. You gotta have your own mind and shit, you know what I'm saying? But on another note, I'm the baby out the family. You know, my mom named me Omega because I was 13 pounds and 2 ounces. So I came out the womb like a big ass baby. Like I was like 1 year old. I know. I was big as hell. They used to sit me in the goddamn swing slide back in the day and shit and watch the motherfucker fall. You know what I'm saying? I had to be the baby like to roll out the motherfucking bed. Like I was like, people used to make fun of me and shit like I was in diapers and shit as a baby. They thought I was 2 years old because I was big as hell. Like that shit hurted, you know? I don't even know how it feels to be a skinny motherfucker. I always been big all my goddamn life. You know what I'm saying? I'm like 210 right now and shit. Like, life been big for me in a small world. But, so earlier today or whatever, I was over at my cousin's house, and my uncle had this goddamn moonshine. I ain't never tried moonshine before in my goddamn life.
If it's liquor, you might want some. Y'all don't want none of that?
Y'all just can I get some grapes too? Shit. Y'all know grapes is for make the woman, you know, wonderful. Y'all know anything about the pineapples and grapes and shit in the water. Yeah. But yes, I'm a new comedian and I appreciate you guys' time. And everything like that. I don't know, my mouth dry as hell. You know how you know, smoking shit, my damn lips got my sticking and shit. I got about 4 teeth in them motherfuckers. Like we in here, whoop, and shit. Shit, can I get some water? Hey, so can I walk over there and give me some water? Motherfucker, about sticking and shit.
What you doing over there? You ready for round 2?
That was a little ghetto. I know ghetto's where the Jews stay, right? Y'all know that? Y'all know something, you know the Jews is the rich motherfuckers, right? Y'all know that? They keep the money in the family. That's why half of them motherfuckers like look the form and shit. Y'all ain't know that? So, yesterday in the morning or whatever, we had the red eclipse of the moon that was red and shit, and they said a lot of us gonna be depressed. I should have known. That's like, don't that moonshine and shit. I was trying to tell you guys about the fucking moonshine. Cause this morning, that was the first time I had some fucking moonshine and shit. Oh shit! That's how I get y'all attention. So what I was saying was, that motherfucking moonshine took my goddamn arm out for a minute. That's how the fuck I was feeling. My arm went down like this. I didn't think moonshine could do that shit with you. I started getting paralyzed and shit. And my friend was like, when you having a stroke? I said,